how to find recently watched videos on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find recently watched videos on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And there under settings and privacy, just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, you just have to tap on the search bar at the top, and there you simply have to type activity log and search for it. And once you search for it, you simply have to tap on activity log. And here, once you see the interface like this, you simply have to scroll down and tap on your Facebook activity. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down, and there you can just tap on manage post. And now here on the next page, what you can do is just tap on the filters button which can be seen at the top. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on categories, and after that on the next pop-up menu, simply tap on the option that says videos you have watched. So simply tap on it, and after that you'll see the list of recently watched videos sorted by date. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.